Welcome to Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, we learn all about inserting zoom effects in PowerPoint. But wait, before we start, you should check out Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in. Get tons of templates, themes, and more right within PowerPoint. Create stunning presentations easily in no time. Check out the links in the description to know more. Alright, let's begin. There are three types of zooms in PowerPoint: the summary, section, and slide zoom, which you can access by going to Insert and clicking on Zoom. Let's start with the summary zoom. But to really understand summary zooms, you will first need to understand what sections are. There's a feature in PowerPoint that lets you categorize different slides and group them together. Simply right-click on the space between two slides in the left sidebar and add a section. Doing this helps you sort and arrange your slides easily. Now that you know what sections are, let's insert a summary zoom. Click on Zoom and select Summary Zoom. By default, the first slide of every section in your presentation will be selected. Choose any other slides you may want to include in your summary and click on Insert. This creates a new blank slide, but you can always copy the zoom slides to a different slide if you want. Summary zoom is great when you want to quickly visit different sections of your presentation. After a section has finished, you are brought back to the summary page. You can always edit the summary slides by clicking on them, going to Zoom in the ribbon, and clicking on Edit Summary. The Reset Layout button is great if you want to quickly revert back to the original layout of the Zoom slides. You can use the Change Image button to change the appearance of your Zoom slide into an image or an icon. In some cases, if your Zoom slide has a solid background, you can also press on the Zoom Background button to make it blend to the background of your summary slide. Now, while you're on the summary slide, if you do not want to return to the summary slide after visiting a section, uncheck the Return to Zoom checkbox. You can also turn off the zoom transitions here for a quick transition, but let's keep that on for now. Finally, feel free to go through the zoom styles available to quickly change the appearance of your zoom slides. Now let's move on to the section zoom. Click on Zoom and select Section Zoom. Now, unlike Summary Zoom, you can only select sections in Section Zoom. So that means if the section zoom is grayed out in PowerPoint, it means you don't have any sections in your presentation. Select the sections you want to include and click on Insert. You will then need to arrange your slide to a layout you prefer. The rest of it works the same as before. Click on any slide to zoom transition to that specific section. The slides in that section will appear one by one, and when you're done, you will return to the main slide. So that's basically section zoom. Now, if you just want to add a normal zoom transition effect to your presentation without using sections, you can use the slide zoom. This is the simplest zoom transition that you can have in PowerPoint. Click on Zoom and select Slide Zoom and select the slides you want to include. This works best when you choose slides that are back to back. Click on Insert. Now arrange them on your slide. While presenting, click on these slides to have a cool zoom transition where you zoom in and out of the slides you selected. You can also easily add zoom transitions in PowerPoint by simply dragging a slide or a section directly onto your presentation. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to Bazaar for more videos like this, and don't forget to check out our free PowerPoint add-in. The link is in the description.